Horrifying creature was found under Mariana Trench. Located in the Pacific Ocean at 2,550 kilometers long, 69 kilometers wide, and 10,984 kilometers deep below the ocean surface, the Mariana Trench takes the trophy as the deepest oceanic trench and possibly the deepest point on the planet. The Challenger is said to be the lowest known point of this crescent-shaped trench. Here, the pressure is at least 1,071 times that of the sea level. Temperatures are as low as 1 to 4 degrees Celsius, and from 3,280 meters depth, there is no natural light. Darkness rules these waters. Surprisingly, under these extreme conditions, there is still life. Living there are some of the most terrifying creatures that look like they came straight out of a horror movie. So what's really down there? Buckle up and take a look at this monstrous creature that lives under the Mariana Trench. The last remaining member of Vampyloteuthis is found in the twilight zone of the Mariana Trench at 600 to 900 meters deep and is known as the vampire squid. Its deep red color and bioluminescent lights add to its already scary name. Like all other squids, it causes the filaments on its 8 arms to detect and capture food. When faced with any form of threat, a vampire squid will curl its arms upwards and around its body, exposing its spiky projections. It will then proceed to squirt its bioluminescent liquid on its predator. This dazzles the predator, thus giving it enough time for it to escape, and it also makes the predator more visible to its predators. The hunter then becomes the hunted. Being at about 12 centimeters long, one would expect that the deep-sea hatchetfish is an easy prey. On the contrary, while other horrifying creatures of the Mariana Trench use their bioluminescent light to glow in the dark so that their prey can see, the deep-sea hatchetfish uses it as camouflage. The photophores along its belly and sides can replicate the low amounts of light penetrating from above, thus enabling it to hide in the deep dark ocean and become almost invisible to its prey and predators. Between 213 meters and 1,828 meters maneuvers a deep-sea dragonfish that is fitted with fang-like teeth that are way too large for its size. Its jaws can open up to 120 degrees. It has bioluminescent photophores along the sides which produce a reddish light that attracts both mates and prey. It can showcase a patterned light show that is sure to confuse its prey. It also has another photophore that protrudes from its chin and acts as a fishing pole to lure in prey. Its extremely large, translucent teeth help it camouflage from its prey, so the prey will never guess what it's getting itself into. At 1,900 meters deep enters the black sea devil anglerfish. Its name alone is enough reason to understand why it was featured as a scary creature in the film Finding Nemo. But its sight is even more terrifying. It has a strange body shape, sharp teeth, and eyes that look like they are about to explode from the sockets. It has a bioluminescent antenna protruding out of its head that it uses to attract prey. This luminescence comes from symbiotic bacteria. Its gaping jaws also make it easy for it to swallow prey that is larger than its size. Females grow up to 20 centimeters long and males grow up to 2.5 centimeters long. When it's time for reproduction, the male fuses permanently into the female, making a two-in-one fish. The pink see-through Fantasia is one sea cucumber that has earned its spot among the horrifying creatures of the Mariana Trench. It is so transparent that it is possible to see its entire digestive system. Its bioluminescence is useful in deterring predators. For example, when it's attacked, its luminescence coats its predator, leaving the predator glowing well enough for its predators to see. Kind of like placing an Uno reverse card. How terrifying would it be if all creatures walked around with the contents of their heads visible for all to see? Well, that hasn't stopped the barley fish from having a transparent dome-shaped head. It's no wonder it's often called a spookfish. It has large nostrils, which one will be forgiven for mistaking them for its barrel-shaped eyes, which are actually inside the dome. This dome protects it from being stung when it's feeding on jellyfish and also allows it to see the predators above it. As horrifying as it is, the barrelfish eye lives a pretty chilled life at 2,600 meters below the ocean surface. With the help of its flat, large fins, it would rather float and wait for food to come to it. It is, however, pretty quick at striking its prey. In 2002, at 2,893 meters deep into the midnight zone of the Mariana Trench, a zombie worm was first discovered. Its name may suggest that this horrifying creature is out for blood and brains, but on the contrary, it is out for bones, particularly the fat-filled bones of dead whales that have dropped to the bottom of the ocean. This scavenger uses special root tissues that produce an acid that helps in drilling the bones. It is also equipped with symbiotic bacteria that aid in the digestion of the proteins and lipids found in the bones. Its feathery plumes are used for breathing, and they are often spotted sticking out of the holes made in the bones by the worm. What's even more insane is that the female zombie worms are the ones that feed on bones, while the male zombie worms live inside the females. What quickly comes to mind when one thinks of a jellyfish is its translucent appearance, but the benthocodon jellyfish is one of a kind, as its intense red color will have one thinking there is an alien. It has a cover known as a bell, which hides its bioluminescence and successfully camouflaging in the dark part of the ocean from both predators and prey, as it uses its 1,500 tentacles to swiftly cruise through the ocean. Going deeper into the abyss, at 5,000 meters dwells a horrific creature that no one wants to come across while on a scuba dive. The frilled shark is often referred to as a living fossil due to its odd appearance, which hasn't changed in its 80 million years of existence. Not only is its body shaped like an eel, but it's also hunting like one. This frilled shark lunges and captures its prey between its hinged jaws. It has more than 300 needle-like teeth inside its already scary wide mouth that comes in handy with devouring small sharks, fish, and cephalopods. Here one can also find the fang-toothed fish, which holds the record of having the longest teeth in relation to body among all creatures in the ocean. They are so long that the roof of a fang-toothed fish is fitted with sockets to accommodate them when the jaw is closed. It also has a large jaw that enables it to comfortably enjoy larger fish. Its skin is nothing short of ugly and will have one thinking that this creature was dropped from outer space. As if octopuses weren't already creepy enough, at 6,500 meters in comes a translucent and almost colorless octopus known as the telescope octopus. It gets its name from the rotating tubular telescope-like eyes. This 20-centimeter long rare octopus mostly drifts vertically looking for food. It is sometimes referred to as a ghost octopus, a nickname it lives up to as it can hide in plain sight in the deep, dark ocean waters. Spooky, right? Named after Dumbo from Disney, the Dumbo octopus also has floppy ears which aid its movement through the water. It also has deep-set eyes, 8 small tendons, and can grow up to 50 centimeters long. Of all other species, the Dumbo octopus is the only one that occupies the deepest part of the ocean at 7,010 meters deep. Unlike the Dumbo from Disney, the Dumbo octopus is not so gentle, and especially not with its prey, as it can swallow all in one gulp. According to research, fish cannot survive any further than 8,200 meters deep into the ocean. This is due to extreme pressure experienced at this depth that often causes the brain of the fish to swell. The Mariana snailfish has defied all odds and has been found at the deepest part of the ocean floor, up to 8,076 meters deep. It is often likened to a tadpole due to its lack of scales and its loose skin. fin. A full-grown Mariana fish is about 28 centimeters long and is equipped with small teeth that it uses when feeding on small crustaceans. This fish is often found in large numbers in this region due to a lack of predators, and in return, it has become a top predator in this region. It is also thought to be blind and compensates by using other senses to look for food. It has a prominent sensory pole on its head that can explode if this fish goes to the surface of the ocean. One can only hope that there aren't any more horrifying creatures than these, but based on how little the Mariana Trench has been explored, probably something bigger and more terrifying will pop up.